Morning student. Today we are starting definite integration in which the topic is fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Okay. Now fx is the continuous on AB, and if fx is any indefinite integration of fx, then integration a to b fx dx is equal to fb minus fa. We have to putting the value of a and b after the integration in the part of the b minus a. Is it okay to everyone? This is the formula for the fundamental theorem of the integral calculus. Is it okay? Now, how we use the fundamental theorem in the question? This is our first question. Integration of 1 to 2 x square dx. Firstly, we have to integrate x square, we get x cube upon 3. Now put the value of a 1 to 2, 1 to 2. Firstly, we have to put the value of 2. 2 cube minus 1 cube upon 3 upon 3. This is the value 7 upon 3. It means when we have the integration, firstly we have to integrate the given value, then put the values of 1 and 2. These are called limits. It means integration 1 to 2. Then we have to put the value of 1 and minus 2 minus 1. Okay. Now next question is 0 to pi by 4 root 1 plus sine 2x dx. Firstly, we have to put the value of 1 sine square x plus cos square x and open the sine 2x to sine x cos x. This is the value of cos x plus sine x whole square. Root are cancel out, then we get cos x and sine x. Then we have to इंटीग्रेट साइन कॉस का साइन हो जाता है और साइन का माइनस कॉस हो जाता है. पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई बाई 4. फर्स्टली वी हैव टू पुट अपर लिमिट इज पाई बाई 4 माइनस कॉस साइन पाई बाई 4 माइनस कॉस पाई बाई 4 माइनस साइन 0 कॉस 0. ओके. द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन पाई बाई 4 1 बाई रूट 2 एंड कॉस पाई बाई 4 1 अपॉन रूट 2 माइनस 0 minus 1. Then we get 1. Answer is 1. The next question is same as it is. See, pi by 4 to 0 tan square x. Firstly, we have to remove the tan square and sec square x minus 1 dx. Now sec square x we have to split in two part. It is the sec square minus 1 dx. 1 dx means x. Okay. Sin sec square x dx tan x. Putting the value of pi by 4 and 0 and minus x pi by 4 0. Then we get the value is 1 minus pi by 4. It is 0. It is 0. Is it okay? So this is the our question. Now the next question is 0 to infinite. The value is 1 upon a square plus b square x square. Firstly, we have to change in the form of formula bxt and the value of dx 1 upon b and putting the value of 1 upon b 1 upon x. The value of a square bx is tan t upon a. Then putting the value of 0 to infinite and we get the value of pi to ab. Okay, this is the full form of the equation. Now the next question is we have in next page. Now if we have two functions x and e to the power x, then we get firstly we using the integration by part. First into second integration, then the value of d by dx and ex. Integrate all these values and putting the limits of given 0 to 1 0 to 1 and we have the value is 1. This is the procedure to calculate the whole value. Same as it is, if we have bigger number, then what we have to do? Let us given the question. Next question is 0 to pi by 4 sin cos 2x cos x 2x upon cos x 2x dx. Okay, now sin 2x cos x को हमने चेंज कर लिया, we have to change in sin 2x sin cos 2x. Putting the value of cos 2x is equal to t, then we have to get this and change the limits. If we have to put 0 at the place of x, then t is 1 and pi by 4 0, then the limit it change 1 to 0 and sin t get minus cos t and 1 to 0 we have to put here, and the value is 1 by 2 minus 1 minus cos 1. Is it okay to everyone? This is your answer. Same as it is, the next question is also done by you. This is the procedure. First and second process, we can use the first and second. What we have to do, firstly we have to put minus 1 upon x as a t and 1 upon x square is dt. Then the value we have to e to the power t and putting the value of minus 1 and half, because we have to change here all the limits, then we get this is the full answer for you. Okay, now the next topic is property of definite integrals. The first property is integration of b a to b fx dx, and it is also if we put the value of t in the place of x, then the limits are not changed a to b. The second property, if we have to interchange the limits a to b and b to a, then the minus sign is here if a is greater than b. अगर a की वैल्यू b से बड़ी है तो हम ये चेंज कर सकते हैं, और यहाँ पर a से b की वैल्यू क्या कर सकते हैं, दो बार में स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू स्प्लिट a to c and c to b if a and b के बीच में c आता हो. जैसे मान लो हमारे पास लिमिट यहाँ पर दे रखी है 2 to 4. ओके, यहाँ 2 दे रखा है, यहाँ 4 दे रखा है, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. ओके, तो दिस इज द प्रोसीजर टू एक्सप्लेनिंग द definite property of the definite integration. Now the next fourth property is 0 to a. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं, a से माइनस कर सकते हैं x को और ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर इफ़ वी हैव माइनस टू माइनस a to a fx dx is equal to 0, then 2a 0 fx dx according to fx is an odd or even function of fx. Is it okay? Next property is 6. 2a 0 fx dx is equal to 2 0 to a fx dx if 2a minus x fx निकलता है और 0 अगर आता है तो इट मीन्स अगर हमारे पास 0 आ रहा है तो इफ़ a to ax minus x is equal to minus fx. Is it okay to everyone? These are the properties that can be used in the questions. Now the first question is prove that integration of 0 to pi by 2 log tan dx equal to 0. Firstly, we have to equation I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log tan dx. This is the equation number 1, and 0 to pi by 2 log tan pi by 2 minus x. Using this equation, this property, this is the property that we have to written here, then it get cot x. Add 1 and 2, पहले और दूसरे इक्वेशन को हम जोड़ देंगे, then we get what we get. This is the plus sign, then we have to multiply it and it get 1, then the log 1, the value of log 1 is equal to 0 and I is equal to 0. Is it okay to everyone? Look again this equation. Now the next question is 0 to pi by 4 sine to the power 4x upon sine to the power 4x plus cos 4x. Firstly, we have to written in this form and we have to getting the equation 1. This is our equation 1. Then find the next. Now the first I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4 pi by 2 minus x and pi by 4 minus x cos 4 pi by 2 minus x. We get the value of this adding 1 and 2. Now 1 and 2 को जब हम जोड़ देंगे 1 and 2 को, then we get the total property of this. We get cancel out and we have to only x value, putting the value of x we get pi by 2 and the I is equal to pi by 4. This is the next equation. This is very easiest form. Only we have to apply it same as it is. If we get 0 to pi by 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx, firstly we have to retain fx is equal to 5 cos 5x, and using the property 2a minus x is equal to fx, 2a minus x we get the value of fx, then it is the function 2 0 to pi cos to the power 5x dx. Now cos pi minus x की power 5, that is it is the 0, it gives the minus, then the property give us 0. So it is using the property and we have to find the value. This is the procedure to get answer. Now the next question is integrate 0 to pi, यानी प्रूफ करना है x dx a square cos square x plus b square cos square x is equal to pi square upon 2ab. Then we have the I is equal to this x dx x square cos square x plus b square sin square x, and putting the value pi minus x and giving this equation, putting the pi minus x and pi minus x, we get this value, and this is the. अब इसमें क्या किया गया है, इसमें चूँकि वैल्यू यहाँ पर कोई साइन कॉज नहीं थी तो यहाँ हमने इन दोनों को अलग अलग कर लिया. पहले पाई के साथ ही पूरी वैल्यू लिख ली, माइनस एक्स के साथ पूरी ये वैल्यू लिख ली. अब हमने पहले इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, देन वी हैव टू गेट इन दिस फॉर्म द वैल्यू इज़ दिस. ओके, और ये तो आई आ गया, तो आई को हम उधर ले के चले गए तो 2i आ गया. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो ये वैल्यू पूरी हमारी निकल के आई. ये प्रोसीजर है, इसको हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं और इसके tan को हमने t मान लिया है और सेक ऊपर dt आ जाएगा. ये पूरी वैल्यू tan के फॉर्म में आ जाएगी और यहाँ पर हम लोग t की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. जैसे ही t की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और हम लोग t की वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद लिमिट प्रूफ कर दिया और लिमिट पुट करने के बाद ये आंसर मेरा कुल मिला के आएगा. तो यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिस इज़ द प्रोसीजर टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन. ओके.